Can you see yourself? Who is that handsome guy? Who is that? Well, this guy's thinking about eating his toes on here. Hello? Is that what you just said? Hello? Oh my gosh. You like that little boy, huh? You talking to him? Guess what? It's you. Oh my goodness. Tell him hello. Say hello. You can do it. Hello. Oh. Oh my god, that really sounded like hello. You did it, dude. Say bye. Bye. You gonna try? Say bye. You're so cute.